Embracing KavachSil for a strong and animal-safe power grid. Sevitsil's KavachSil and Silifuse offer a smart and reliable way to stop power outages caused by animals and harsh weather. These silicone covers, KavachSil, and tapes, Silifuse, protect electrical lines and equipment by safely covering exposed parts, reducing the chances of short circuits and electrocutions. This helps keep the power on and animals safe. India's climate is very diverse. We have high humidity, salty coastal areas that cause corrosion, heavy rains that lead to water buildup, snowy regions, and extremely hot zones. These conditions can damage electrical systems and attract animals looking for shelter. KavachSil works well in all of these environments, making it an ideal solution across the country. Power utilities in many countries already use similar protections and see fewer outages and lower repair costs. Now it's time for India's state electricity boards and power companies to do the same. By using KavachSil on overhead lines and Silifuse in substations, utilities can prevent expensive damage, avoid penalties, and improve service for customers. These products are made in India, built for Indian conditions, and offer a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution. They support our country's push for a stronger, more reliable, and more eco-friendly power grid. With KavachSil and Silifuse, we can protect our power systems from rain, salt, heat, cold, and curious animals, all while keeping electricity flowing safely 24/7. It's a smart step toward a modern grid and a greener planet.